Now the song that we're going to play is one of my favourite cumbia tunes, but it wasn't originally composed as a cumbia. It was composed as a Peruvian waltz, and it's called Amor de mis Amores. At least the cumbia version that we're going to learn today is called Amor de mis Amores. The original song was called Que nadie sepa mi sufrir. But it's the same song, just as a cumbia arrangement. And I've taken this arrangement from the 1990 track by La Sonora Dinamita. And as I say, it's called Amor de mis Amores. Now the groove that we're going to play in this song is the same as one of the grooves we played before, apart from one thing, and that thing is the bass drum. Because when you listen to this recording, the Sonora Dinamita version of this song, you'll notice that the tambora, so the low-pitched drum which plays some notes on the rim and some notes on the head, you'll notice that low-pitched sound that you're hearing, it varies quite a lot. It's quite free, really, in the variations that it plays, and it also definitely doesn't just play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is that tambora rhythm that we've been playing most commonly in the bass drum. So here's what the bass drum is going to play in this groove. The rhythm that you're going to play here is a variation that you hear most commonly in this song. There are other variations that happen, but the one that always seems to come back is this one. So first of all, you'll hear just the feet, and then you'll hear the complete groove.